Is an unwanted comment cluttering your Loom video? Learn to delete it in just 5 simple steps. First, we'll find your library, then open the video, access the activity, locate the comment, and remove it. All right, start by clicking on Library to see your videos. Then, click on any video to open it up. Now, click on Activity to access the comments. From there, navigate to your comment within the activity. Finally, click the trash icon to delete the comment. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.